main types of organic reactions. There are four main types of organic reactions. The first one is addition reaction. The second one is substitution reaction. The third one is elimination reaction. And the fourth one is rearrangement reaction. Addition reaction is a reaction in which atoms or groups add to adjacent atoms of a multiple bond. Only one product is produced in addition reaction, and there are two types of addition reaction, which are electrophilic addition and nucleophilic addition. For electrophilic addition, what will happen is the electrophile will accept electron from attacking nucleophile. So this is typical reaction for unsaturated compounds such as alkenes and alkynes. For an example, we have this reaction here. So the double bond in propene is the nucleophilic sites, and bromine there will act as electrophile. So what will happen? The double bond will attack the bromine, and then the bromine will be added to the unsaturated compounds. So this is why the name of this reaction is electrophilic addition. This is because two bromine have been added to the double bond. Next, for nucleophilic addition reaction. In this reaction, nucleophile will attack the electrophilic site of a molecule. So this is typical reaction for carbonyl compounds. For an example, in this reaction, okay, we have C double bond O there, in which C will become the electrophilic site because it has a lower electron density. So HCN tu dia akan berpecah, okay, menjadi H plus dan juga Cn minus. So Cn minus ini dia adalah nucleophile dan dia akan serang pada bahagian low electron density. So bila dia serang, dia akan being added to the compounds, okay. So bila kita tengok, okay, product for this reaction, H dan juga Cn is being added to the compound, yang mana H dan Cn itu adalah nucleophile. Okay, so dalam case ini, nucleophile is being added to the carbonyl compound. Let's take a look at the second type of organic reaction, which is substitution reaction. So in this reaction, atom or group in a molecule is being replaced by another atom or group. So there are three types of substitution: free radical, electrophilic, and also nucleophilic substitution. So for free radical substitution, the substitution will involve free radical as intermediate species. So what will happen here? Chlorine will form a free radical, okay. Lepas itu, H dalam CH4 itu will be replaced by Cl. So kalau kita lihat di sana, an atom or group dalam case ini H is being replaced by free radical, yaitu free radical kita adalah Cl. Seterusnya untuk electrophilic substitution. So this is a typical reaction of aromatic compounds, because we know that the aromatic compound has high electron density, thus it is nucleophilic and it will attack the electrophile. So dalam case ini kita ada benzene, yang mana kita tahu dia high electron density, jadi dia adalah nucleophile. So dia akan serang electrophile. So what will happen dia? Br itu dia akan replace kedudukan H. Okay? H will be replaced by Br. Jadi untuk electrophilic substitution, atom or group is being replaced by electrophile. Lastly, for nucleophilic substitution reaction, So this is a typical reaction of saturated organic compounds bearing polar bond as functional group, such as haloalkane with alcohol. So for an example here, we have haloalkane in which bromine is more electronegative than carbon. So what will happen here? The bromine will be replaced by OH. Therefore, for nucleophilic substitution reaction, an atom or group is being replaced by nucleophile. Next, let's take a look at elimination reaction. So in elimination reaction, an atom or groups are removed from adjacent carbon atoms of a molecule to form a multiple bond. This will result in the formation of unsaturated molecules. So as we can see in this example, the adjacent carbon atom punya OH dan H itu will be removed dalam keadaan berasid dan suhu yang tinggi dan akan menghasilkan unsaturated molecules iaitu alkene dan juga 1 mol air. So bila kita lihat di sana, OH and H will be removed from adjacent carbon atom, okay, to form 1 mole of water. And this will form unsaturated molecules. So this is what elimination reaction is. And finally, for rearrangement reaction is a reaction in which atoms or groups in a molecule rearrange, sama ada dia change position ataupun reorganize to form a new molecule. So this may involve rearrangement of the carbon skeletal, migration of a functional group from one position to another, and also others. So mari kita tengok rearrangement of the carbon skeletal. So kalau kita lihat di sini, okay, this benzene ring is attached to CH2, CH2, CH3, and then it will rearrange to create another isomer yang mana dia akan attach dengan CH3, CH dan CH3. So kalau kita tengok, dia punya carbon skeletal berbeza. Okay, carbon skeletal dia berbeza tapi molecular formula dia masih sama. Next, kita tengok pula migration of a functional group from one position to another. So kalau kita tengok, hanya kedudukan functional group klorin sahaja yang berbeza daripada kiri dan kanan itu. So ini yang disebut sebagai migration of functional group from one position to another. And finally, kita ada apa yang kita panggil di sini sebagai keto-enol tautomerism. Okay, so ini adalah struktur enol dan ini pula adalah struktur keto. Enol ini adalah apabila, okay, struktur tersebut dia mengandungi C double bond C dan juga OH group. So maksudnya di sini enol ni dia boleh ubah dia punya structure, okay, menggunakan cara rearrangement untuk bertukar menjadi keto. Dan keto pun dia boleh buat benda yang sama supaya dia boleh berubah menjadi enol.